So hello everyone, welcome to Manor Education. So in this video we will discuss St. Xavier Entrance Test 2021 for BMS, BMM and BSCIT. Do you wanna enter into this historical college which was established in 1869? So as St. Xavier Entrance Test is in between 10th अगस्त टू 20th अगस्त, इनके बीच में कभी भी आपका हो सकता है एग्जाम. सो रफली यू हैव 20 days फॉर सेंट जेवियर एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. सो इन दिस वीडियो वी विल लुक एट which are the sections are including into your St. Xavier entrance exam with respect to BMM, that is Bachelor in Mass Media, BMS, that is Bachelor in Management Studies, and BSCIT, that is Bachelor in Science, Information and Technology. Before we proceed ahead, we have launched a crash course batch for St. Xavier entrance test. Okay, so in this crash course batch you will get live classes, you will get books, shortcut tricks, doubt classes, so all the doubts will be solved, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all your queries will be solved, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose, mentorship by our exam mentors. So book your seat now, call on 8828581454. You can also visit to our website manuredu.com/BBA entrance. Okay, now let us discuss about syllabus for St. Xavier's entrance examination. So very first is general knowledge and current affairs. So this general knowledge, it is coming into BMM entrance, BMS entrance and BSCIT also includes general knowledge. And if I talk about English language and comprehension skills, so English will be there in BMM and BMS. Okay, in BSCIT there is no English. Now if I talk about reasoning, so reasoning में अलग अलग टाइप के reasoning है. So in BMM reasoning includes logical reasoning, creative thinking, visual reasoning and critical analysis. Now if I talk about BMS, then reasoning includes logical reasoning and visual reasoning. Now and if I talk about BSCIT, then in reasoning it include logical reasoning and quantitative analytics. So this is the reasoning syllabus. Now if I talk about data interpretation, so in data interpretation in BMM there is a economic data interpretation where pie chart, bar diagrams will be there, and data interpretation also there in BMS entrance examination. Now if I talk about maths, so mathematics section, it is not there in BMM entrance examination, but it is there in BMS as well as BSCIT entrance examination. So these are the sections which are there in your St. Xavier entrance examination. Now for all this section you need right study material and right guidance, then only you can crack St. Xavier's entrance examination. And if you are thinking that you have prepared well for St. Xavier's entrance examination, then start writing mock test. Guys, with mock test you will come to know in which sections you are weak, in which sections you are strong. You will come to know paper pattern, you will learn about time management, that in which section you should give how much time, and one of the most important thing is you will be confident before the exam that you have studied well and you have practiced also. So let me guide you guys where you will get these all study material as well as mock test. So guys, this is our website manuredu.com. Just click on buy online, click on BBA entrance. So this kind of a page will open. We have full course study material, mock test, sectional course. So click on full course, show packages. So over here you will see St. Xavier's entrance 2021 program. So in this you will get video lectures, mock test, handouts. If you click on just view details, and in this you will get 257 video lectures, 90 handouts and 5 mock tests. So this is the full course of St. Xavier's entrance exam 2021. If you are thinking that you have prepared well, you can write mock test also. So we have mock test also. Just click on mock test, show packages. So this kind of a page will open for mock test. So we have mock test for St. Xavier entrance 2021 mock test. So in this you will get 5 full length mock test for BMM, BMS, BSCIT. Okay, so if you click on view details, so you will get total 5 mock tests. Now guys, you can also prepare with us IPM and BBA entrance examination for 2022 and 23 batches are launched. You can join to our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number 8828581454. We have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Guys, we have also launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for BBA entrance examination. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.